Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by proving ownership and securing your data. First, back up audio projects and settings so you won't lose work. Once backed up, enable developer options and USB debugging. These are required for safe low-level changes. Make sure you know the exact device model and OS build. Tools and commands differ by version. Now install the official device drivers on your computer and a vetted ADB or management tool, so you can communicate with the device for the next steps. With drivers and ADB ready, connect the device and confirm it appears to the host. Next, stop the Audio Manager service using the correct package name. For example, use service commands in ADB shell to prevent conflicts. Once stopped, navigate to the app's data directory and remove or rename the file that stores the password, or use the app's reset command if provided. If a system-level setting blocks access, boot to recovery or use safe mode to change files without the manager running. Once file changes are complete, reboot the device and immediately open the Audio Manager to verify the password is cleared and the app launches normally. Then restore your backed up settings and test audio routing, levels, and permissions to confirm nothing else was altered. If the manager still prompts for a password, check system logs and the app's log output. Then repeat the safe mode or recovery approach rather than forcing writes. One key troubleshooting tip: if changes break audio, restore the backup to recover.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.